everybody, how are you today? It's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today I'm back in my dining room. I am going to do another makeup look for you this morning. This one is actually in a collaboration with another channel. She reached out to me via email and asked me if I would be willing to do a collab with her on using this Pure Festival palette. So I said I would. Her name is Tavy. She is pretty new to YouTube. She has less than 100 subscribers, so hopefully we can get her to 1,000 if she doesn't already before this video goes live, which will be Monday. I'm filming this on Saturday. But she does beauty unboxings and makeup tutorials and reviews on different makeup products. So go and check her out. Of course, I'll leave her link in the description below, and let's push her over that 100 subscriber ledge. Okay. All right. So I have reviewed this palette before on my channel. I've done makeup looks on it before, but this is what it looks like when I open it. So we're going to see if we can get a fall look out of this today. All right, so I have already put on just about every other makeup I'm going to. I put on some eye primer already. So let's get my handy dandy glass out. I love this glass. It says Glamour, and this is what I keep on my eye brushes in. Okay. So I'm going to start with this big brush. It's the Luxie 209 shader brush. And I'm going to start with this one. This is a Sunset. Now before, when I did this look, I think I did like kind of a pretty bold look. So we're going to go with more neutral and fall today. I hope everybody is having a really nice day. You know I am, because it's the weekend right now, but when you're seeing this, it'll be Monday, and my day off is Monday. And I get to spend that day off with Waylon. I had Waylon overnight, and he still doesn't sleep all night, and whew. You know, I used to tell Mike all the time, I'm ready to do it again. Like, I'm ready. But now that I have a grandson, I'm like, maybe not. I can get up with him, you know. I keep him, or we keep him overnight. I don't know. I think we've kept him overnight maybe twice now, and he's 3 months old. So that's pretty good. I'm hoping when he's older, you know, he can stay maybe like every other weekend or something like that. That'd be fun. But, you know, he doesn't sleep all night. And he does really good until about midnight or 1 o'clock. He usually goes to sleep around 8. And then he wakes up every hour, just about on the hour still. So, yeah, and this old gal just isn't used to that anymore. So back to if I really want to do it again, I don't think so. Not full time. I'll just take him every once in a while, and that'll be he's my baby fix. And I'm almost 40 now anyway, so. Okay, so I've laid that down in the crease. Then I'm going to go with this Good Vibes right here and put it on the lid. In this video, I'm also going to show Robin where I put glitter a lot on my eyes, because I know in one of her videos I told her I would. She doesn't use her glitter shades as much because she says she doesn't really know how and where to put them. So I will show her. So there will be a little bit of glitz in this eye look. All right. And I'm trying to do pretty basic today for any beginners or people who don't do a lot of eye looks. We're just going to go simple today. Okay, so I've got that. Then I like to take flat brushes. And this one is a Luxie 245 small shader, but it's flat. And I like to pack on, use these to get on the sides here, on each end. So I'm going to use Free Spirit right here. Staying away from these ones right here. I'm not going to use those today. And this one is just going to brighten up the corner. I really try to keep as much light color on the bottom of my lids. I've said this before. If you have really hooded eyes, which I don't, they're not that bad, but if you have really hooded eyes and you put a dark color down here, it's just going to make your eyes look slimmer. If you put a light color there on the bottom, then it's going to make your eye up here bigger. I'm using my mirror here and trying to be, you know, make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing too. Cognizant, is that the word, I think? Conscious, I don't know, something like that. So when you guys are seeing this video, it will be the very last day of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus beauty giveaway. So there were some items in my glam bag that I didn't want, and so I've decided I didn't want to hang on to them. I would give them to you. So go, and I'll put that up in an iCard up here, and go and check that out. Okay, and it'll be open until midnight. So after midnight, you can't, it'll be closed. So go and watch that video and figure out what you have to do to be entered in that giveaway. All right, so there I have put that light color from the middle over into the corner right there. Okay, now for this side, I'll take a small brush if I can find one, and I am going to take the Peace color here. I'm really trying to stay away from, you know, stay in these browns and stuff, but I'm going to take Peace and kind of just go in the corner of my eye here. And I say it all the time in my videos. If you stick around, you know I'm always like, I'm not a professional. I just do it the way I do it. And you can do it that way or not. And I'm taking it and going into the crease of my eye. Pretty simple. Now, I'm trying to keep this pretty quick. I'm going to go back. Where is my favorite shader or blending? This is like my favorite blending brush. It's a Lexi 250. It's large blending. And then, so I'm going to go and just blend all that together. And then, after I've done that, here is my trick. Okay, let me find, I'm going to get some of this glow mist just because it's something wet. You can use any kind of setting powder. You can use your finger to do this or a brush, but I'm just going to wet the side of my eye here. Because I want that glitter to stick. Okay, so back with a flat brush. I'm going to take some glitter and I'm just pressing it in there. A lot of times I do it with my finger too, and I think that's what I'm going to do. So you can use your finger or you can use the brush. So I'm showing you both ways. And wet that my brush just a little bit. It just helps that chunkier glitter stick. So that's what I do with the glitter, the chunkier glitters. Got a hair there. I just pack it in to the corner. I much prefer my finger. And this one is called Fireworks. Can't have a festival without fireworks. And then just that brow bone right there. Just go to the end of that. And you can pack on as little or as much as you want, just to give yourself a little bit of glitter. So there you go. That is personally what I do with the glitters. This side is way better than this side, but that's what I do with Robin. So I hope that helps you out just a little bit. All right, I'm going to pause this. I'm going to put my eyeliner and everything on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so there you go. There is my eye look using the Pure Festival palette. Once again, don't forget to go over and give a little bit of support to the Polished Beauty YouTube channel. I want to thank her for asking me to do this collab with her. It was really fun. I love this palette. It's a great one. If you did not get this in a BoxyCharm, then you can always find them usually on Mercari and eBay. So go out and see if you can find this palette. It is a great one for bold looks, and I think I got a pretty good fall little look out of it as well. If you are brand new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I want to welcome you in the comments, so make sure that you let me know that you're brand new. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, as always, thank you for watching another one of my videos. Don't forget to go over and check out that giveaway in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus video. All right, see you later. Bye.